The Nikon AF-S NIKKOR 70-200mm f2.8 FLED VR lens, also known as the Nikon 70-200mm f2.8 lens, is a premium lens with a minimum focus distance of 3.6 feet, allowing for sharp, close-up shots. This lens features 9 diaphragm blades, a FX35mm format, and a minimum aperture of f/22, providing a high level of control and versatility. The lens has a focus distance indicator that ranges from 1.1 am to infinity, giving photographers a broad range for capturing clear, focused images. The Nikon 70-200mm f2.8 lens is compatible with new Z Nikkor lenses, over 360 F-mount Nikkor lenses, and a variety of Nikon system accessories, making it a versatile addition to any photographer's kit. Weighing in at 429 grams, this lens is relatively light, making it a practical choice for photographers on the go. With a review score of 4.7 out of 5 from 377 reviews, it's clear that this lens is highly regarded by its users, further solidifying its status as a top-tier product.